In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory quantities with Intuit's QuickBooks. This process is essential for keeping your inventory data accurate and up to date, ensuring that you have the right products in the right quantities. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the plus new button on the dashboard. This will present a list of various tasks you can engage in. From this list, select Inventory QT Adjustment. This is the option you need to manage changes in your inventory quantities. Next, you'll see an option to set the adjustment date. It's crucial to enter the correct date to ensure that the adjustment aligns with your records. You can click on the calendar icon to choose the precise date for the adjustment you're making. Following this, enter a reference number. This serves as a unique identifier for the transaction and can be very helpful for tracking and future reference. Now, it's time to select the store for which you're adjusting the inventory. This step is particularly important if you manage multiple locations, as it ensures that the adjustments reflect the correct site. After selecting the store, you'll be prompted to indicate the reason for the adjustment. In this case, we're focusing on receiving products, so you would select Return Goods from the drop-down menu. Doing this helps maintain clear records of why inventory levels were altered, then assign the inventory adjustment to a specific account. Assigning this change to the right account is vital for accurate bookkeeping. On the screen below, you'll notice columns and rows, beginning with a column marked hashtag. This column holds the serial number for easy tracking. In the product variance cell, enter the name of the product you're receiving. You can click on a drop-down icon to view options available in your inventory management system. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to add a men's black shirt. Moving to the next step, you'll need to assign a SKU, which is a unique tracking number for each product. It's essential for organizational purposes and helps distinguish different items in your inventory. The QT on hand column will display the current quantity in stock, allowing you to compare it with the new total. Enter the quantity you are receiving in the Change in QT field. Remember, you only need to enter the amount being added, no need for a minus sign here. For example, if you're receiving 10 products, simply type 10 in the Change in QT cell. After making the entry, you'll see the updated count reflected in the new QT field, providing clarity on your current inventory status. If you need to remove a product from the list, you can easily do so by clicking on the trash icon located on the right side of the screen. Finally, to complete the process, click Save and Close. Upon doing so, you'll see a success message indicating that the changes have been successfully saved. This marks the end of the adjustment process, and your inventory is now all set. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your inventory clean and organized.